Hi guys, Mr. Wilson here again, and what we're going to do now is look at the area of a triangle. So you might be thinking, well, that's not the formula, it's base times height halved. But if you haven't got the height, it's very hard to find the area of a triangle. So there is another formula using a sort of trig function, if you like, the sine. There isn't another one, there's no cos or tangent one, it's just this. And the most important thing is you realise that there's an angle involved, hence big C. Now, what the A and B is not like the sine and cosine rule. It's not like opposites. The A and B literally mean the two sides that make that angle. So if the angle is here, if this is angle C, what we actually need is these two sides. So let's make up a question. Let's put it here, and let's say this angle is 70. And if I have these two, I can't find the area, I have to find this one. Well, I could find it using the sine and cosine rule to find this one, but never mind. So let's say that's 7 and that's 10. I can now find the area of this by doing half times A and B, they're the two sides that make up the angle, times sine of the angle, and you will get the area. So it's quite a nifty formula to know. So just move, I'll put it over here so you can see. So half, I just do 0.5, or you can do 1 divided by 2 and press equals. Or you can type in this bit and then divide the whole answer. So I'll do that. 7 times 10 times sine 70, hit equals, and I want half of it, so I'm just going to divide it all by 2. So 32.9 centimetre squared, and that's to 1 decimal place. So that's the alternative way of finding the area of a triangle. Now, going back to our sectors knowledge, what we can do, if we have a sector but draw a line across, we actually form a segment. If you can imagine a bigger circle here, just cut up by a chord. And the area of this bit is simply the area of the whole sector, take away the area of the triangle. So if you take this out of the sector, you will be left with just this bit. So that's what we've got to do. Now, because this is a sector, then we know this is also 8. So let's find the area of the sector first. So area is 70 over 360 times by pi times radius squared. So let's type that in. 70 divided by 360 times pi times 8 squared. I'm just going to put that into an 8 now. So the area is 39.09. And we're going to take away the area of the triangle, which is half times 8 times 8 times sine 70. So that I don't lose any accuracy, if I just put that in brackets, it will just remember this. So I'm going to press take away. So my answer, take away, open brackets, 0.5 times 8 times sine 70. Close the bracket afterwards, hit equals. So I actually haven't worked that out, but I don't need to. So if I do it to 2 decimal places, I get 0, 3, or 3 significant figures. Let's put 3 significant figures. And there you have it. That's how you find the area of a segment.